Morning, my dear children. Today we are discuss about the new lesson, chapter 9. The name of the lesson, Alexander and the horse. Okay, children, here now look at the pictures. Join the dots to complete the picture, color and name the animal. Now let us start now lesson. Alexander was a great king who lived in Greece a long time ago. Alexander was a great king. He lived in Greece a long time ago. When Alexander's father was the king of Greece, the Alexander father was a king of Greece. A man once brought a horse to the palace. The Alexander father was brought a horse to the palace. ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅರಮನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅರಮನೆಗೆ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಫಾದರು ಒಂದು ಕುದುರೆನ ತಗೊಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಲೈಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಲೈಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಫೈನ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್, young and tall and strong. It was a fine horse. It was a beautiful horse, young and tall and strong. The king liked the horse too. Who will ride this horse? The Alexander father said, no, who will ride this horse? He asked his soldiers. The Alexander father asked his soldiers ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೈನಿಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Who will ride this horse? I will, said a captain. He went near the horse, but it kicked him, and the captain fell down. The Alexander father said, no, who will ride this horse? The first said, no, the captain. Captain went near the horse, but it kicked him. The horse kicked him, and the captain fell down. Who else will try? The Alexander father said, no, again. Who else will try? Asked the king. The another soldier tried. He was also thrown off. The another soldier also tried, and he was also thrown off. Then a third soldier tried and failed. And again the third soldier tried and failed. The three people also don't ride the horse. The three people also tried and failed. It is a beautiful horse, said the king. The Alexander father said, no, it is a beautiful horse, but no one can ride it. Father, let me try, said the young prince. The young prince said, no, father, let me try. If you can ride the horse, I will buy it for you, said his father. The father said, no, if you can ride the horse, I will buy it for you. ಈ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ನ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ನ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ದ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ವಾಚ್ಡ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ವೆನ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಡ್, ದ ಹಾರ್ಸಸ್ shadow moved in front of it. The animal was frightened of its own shadow. Alexander watched the horse carefully. Why? Because the horse and the three people also tried and failed. No, again Alexander watched the horse carefully. When the horse moved, the horse shadow moved in front of it. The animal was frightened of its own shadow. Shadow ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೆರಳು. Alexander smiled and turned the horse to the sun. Alexander smiled and turned the horse to the sun. Now its shadow fell behind it. The prince spoke to the horse gently and patted on its neck. Then he climbed onto the horse's back. The prince watched the horse carefully, and the Alexander smiled and turned the horse to the sun, and the prince spoke to the horse gently and patted on its neck. Then he climbed onto the horse's back. The Alexander climbed the horse's back. It rose on its front legs, but Alexander not afraid. The Alexander don't afraid. After some time, the horse walked round the palace. After some time, the horse walked round the palace with Alexander on its back. The king was very happy. The Alexander father was very happy. He brought the horse and gave it to his son. Alexander father ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Alexander ride the horse, and the Alexander father was brought the horse and gave it to his son. Alexander loved the horse very much. He named the horse Bucephalus. The Alexander ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹಾರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ದ Bucephalus. When he grew up and became a king of Greece. The Alexander grew up and he became a king of Greece. The Bucephalus carried him to many battles in many lands. The Alexander carried him to The Bucephalus carried him to many battles in many lands. Okay children, in this story of a Alexander and the horse, okay children, you learn and write no underline words. Keep learning. Thank you.